My name is Kayla Mudge, and I currently work for Thundermist Health Center as the communications lead. Thundermist Health Center is a federally qualified healthcare center. We are a nonprofit. We are based out of Rhode Island, and we are located in three locations in Rhode Island that serve some of our most needy populations, and that includes Woonsocket, West Warwick, Wakefield, and then an admin location in Warwick. Needed a more streamlined line of communications for the employees. We do have an employee intranet that we use. We use SharePoint. However, that was not really doing the job because we had too much information on SharePoint. We had the fun stuff with the important stuff with all of the other stuff. And what was happening is that employees didn't exactly know where to go for things. So the purpose of the employee app was to be able to have more of the employee connection pieces in there, such as anytime we did an event where they could add a calendar reminder, that they could do things like where we could put our town hall chat and have it put in a podcast format, and relying on the app for important communications through push notifications, daily coronavirus updates, and all sorts of different things that people needed, even HR contacts. And really, it became our primary source of contact for employees who were employed, but also employees that unfortunately had to be furloughed at the time. And we brought them all back, but for many, that was their way of getting in contact with Thundermist or knowing what was going on because they wouldn't have access to their own work account or email while they were at home. I would say having the employee app, using HubEngage for these purposes was really, in my experience, been a huge improvement, I think, just in the company's culture, in having improved communication as well. I have received a lot of feedback from employees saying that they absolutely love that we have the app and that they are also able to access it on their desktop. So we do have employees who either don't have smartphones, don't have the room on their phone. So the great thing is too is that in addition to having the app on the phone, having the desktop access really was a huge benefit to other employees as well. And I honestly could not have imagined us getting through the COVID-19 pandemic without having this app on hand. I think it really enhanced our employee satisfaction and our communication and even our relationship with our employees. Having you guys as a primary stakeholder in this account was an incredible experience, mainly because anytime we had an issue that we couldn't resolve ourselves, is you guys were there for us, especially working with you and Tishneem. It was a great experience, very quick. Anytime we had to forward any employee complaints, if it was just easier for you guys to work with the employees themselves, those were taken care of. And any feedback I heard from employees on our end is that it was quick, it was efficient, and it was a pleasant experience.